Welcome to our self-help video on changing a tire. In this video, we will be providing a step-by-step guide to help you safely and effectively change a flat tire on your vehicle. We'll also discuss why it's important to know how to change a tire, as well as when it might be necessary. You may find yourself in need of changing a tire because of a puncture, a blowout, or other damage. It is important to know how to change a tire in case of an emergency, or even when you just need to change a tire on the side of the road to get yourself to a safer location. In addition, it is a good practice to be aware of the condition of your tires and check for any issues like low tire pressure, worn treads, or any visible damage. Knowing these factors will help prevent any issues from arising unexpectedly and can prolong the life of your tires. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this video will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to change a tire quickly and safely. With a little practice, you'll be able to change a tire in no time, giving you peace of mind on the road. Let's get started. First, make sure your vehicle is secure by engaging the emergency brake and placing blocks of wood in front and behind the wheels. I usually start with the back tire to avoid the risk of the car rolling away. Next, loosen the lug nuts with the appropriate tools. I use a flathead screwdriver to remove the lug nut cover if it has one, and then I use either a tire iron or breaker bar with a 3/4 socket to turn the lug nuts counterclockwise. Now that the lug nuts are loose, I am ready to lift the vehicle. I use a quick pump jack to lift it off the ground. I will give a few pumps until the car is high enough to remove the tire. With the tire now off, I am able to access the suspension pieces or brakes. I take the necessary steps to fix the problem. In this case, remove the tire and put the new one in its place. Once the problem is fixed, it's time to put the tire back on. I will align the holes of the tire with the studs of the car and put the lug nuts back in. I will tighten them with my tire iron or breaker bar. Lower the car back to the ground. Check the torque of the lug nuts using torque wrench to make sure it's tightened properly. Finally, remove the blocks of wood and carefully test drive the vehicle to ensure it is safe to drive on the road. Double check that the lug nuts are tightened to the correct torque. I do a final safety check of the vehicle and take it for a test drive to ensure everything is working properly and the vehicle is safe to drive. Before I'm going for a longer drive, I will check the tire pressure to make sure it's at the recommended level for the vehicle. And finally, I will keep the record of the maintenance performed on the vehicle in a logbook or in a reminder app for future reference. By following these steps, I can safely and correctly remove and reattach a tire on my car. Remember, it's important to always be aware of safety concerns and to use the correct tools and techniques to ensure the job is done properly.